Well, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long day so far, but I'm gonna get my video done. We got right now we got the last batches buttons from the 70s to process, and then I'm working on shifting onto these electric tubes. I'm gonna be lotting them up in lots of 5, trying to get my sell-through rate a little higher. And then from there I'll have to ship about 40 items, so I'll be done sometime this evening, probably around 7 p.m., 8 p.m. If I want to process more photos, I'll have to push myself through to 10 p.m. But today I want to do a little walking too. Sometime in the video I'm going to go on a little journey. I walk 3 days a week, 5-mile increments with my buddy from church, and the other days I don't walk, I'm starting to walk 2 miles. So I'm trying to keep my miles up so I can lose this baby fat. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So like I mentioned, I'll be processing some of these. Got a whole container down here. They're all different sizes, so I have to kind of take my time with them. I'm gonna lot them in 5s, sold as is, NOS, new old stock. Buyer pays return. No problems accepting the returns, but I can't have somebody ordering 6 like they did and returning each one separately. Pretty bad. It was like ordered by mistake, combined all 6 orders, then sent them back and then taped them completely shut, so I can't use the packaging. So yeah, they did me really good on this one. And obviously I opened one to see if it was actually the item that was in the pictures, and I didn't see anybody. I didn't open any other, but they're all ruined. So I'm gonna open those up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with those 6, but yeah, no more free returns on these. All right, these are my flea market pens. I separated from the 800 I bought. There's some decent ones in here, but I like there are a lot of damaged ones, but people might like the patina. And in my case, I had a whole bunch of those, and those are American flags. Had about 8 of those. So there's a lot, but if it looks really bad, I just gonna leave it in the box for the flea market sale. I'll have quite a bit of stuff going to the flea market in March. Just trying to get rid of the low value items that you know, somebody wants to put a pile together. I make them an offer. I'll probably get I'll ask for $1 a piece, but then it probably end up getting 2 for $1, or I'll put 3 together for $1. I don't know, but there's a lot of political pens, a lot of duplicate pens that I listed on eBay. They were better quality shape, so I'm really going to be niching down on the quality and sending the bad quality to flea market. And then once they go through the flea market, if no one buys them all at once, I'll probably donate them. In this case, I probably wouldn't bulk this up because these are so beat up. For see, like dull is messed up, and want to make sure, you know, like you can read them, but they're pretty. They got some damage on them, some little stains. So yes, I am gonna be lotting up a lot of my listings on my store. The goal is to increase here's the flea market matchbooks. Pretty cool. I'm doing an update on the AI tool and increasing, providing suggestions on purchases, so you have one keyword matchbooks. Well, underneath that I'll have a list of different matchbooks that have higher sell-through rate value from eBay. So I'm able to have shortcut clicks to learn more about each category I sell in. So as I buying stuff from auction houses, I'm not just buying bulk. I'm looking for certain types of that item. Like this could be all tiki. Well, tiki's a high sell-through category, especially if it's mid-century and it has the Art Deco design. Well, that even sells higher. So by me having short click links to these, going to help me study what each keyword has, and each category will have like a list of high sell-through, medium sell rate. Like Disney matchbooks or hotel matchbooks are pretty good. Disney is good for buttons, lapel pins, not so much matchbooks. Yeah, so every keyword that I'm creating a tool that helps me source better, just to catch up. I've created a tool to help me list with less mistakes. And now we're going to build a series of tools around it, hopefully to keep people hooked. You know, the iPhone app is going to come in March, or start in March and probably be done around April, May, June. And it's going to allow you to do everything that the desktop does, but it's going to provide another function, another tool to track miles and receipts and scan, organize all your reseller business, and then give you a weekly report, and then you'll be able to export it for taxes. So simplifying everything using the latest and greatest tools that are out there. So we're committed, but we're hoping to have by June the outline's done. Beta's kind of working good. The first tool is really making my life easier. The next step will finalize beta, and make it a service. So I'm like, have to move away from full-time reselling to creating tools that I can use to help me sell, to make less mistakes. I'm excited about this. This is a long time coming, but everything that's, here's another flea market bundle, some vintage casino ashtrays that are rough. All right, I need to get busy. I got some shipping to do, and then I'm gonna do my walk. Well, I'm on my little 2-mile walk. I want to thank you guys for coming along and joining today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.